This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Extreme video. This is for Thursday, June 19th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather just not changing much. Must be summertime. We'll have sun and a few scattered storms each day through the weekend. Go in there and take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon. First off, the view coming from Tuscaloosa, looking east from high atop the county courthouse. Cumulus clouds are there, but so far, many of them have not popped into showers. The air aloft a little warmer today. That's a Fultondale Skycam north of downtown Birmingham. The sky there partly sunny, but there's a big downpour. That was captured down in Gulf Shores earlier this afternoon. You can see the Phoenix All Suites right by that building where our camera's located. The big downpour there to the right. Those showers moving west, by the way, toward the bay. Up on the big board, negative tilt trough coming out of the northern Rockies, producing more severe weather up north today. But around here, it's the ridge, which we see almost every summer day. The strength of that determines our weather. That was a radar at 234. Not much out there. Some big storms up in Jackson County, north of Scottsboro, raining to the west of Phoenix City and Russell County. A few showers in Mississippi. But still, there's a chance we'll see more of those popping up between now and 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. But obviously, they're pretty widely spaced today. As expected, temperatures are around 90. It's 90 for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston. And we'll see highs like that each day through the weekend. Around the nation, nice and cool over parts of the northern Rockies underneath the trough. But down this way, upper 80s and low 90s are very common. Up on the watch warning map, we've got flash flood watches in effect for some of the states up north, parts of Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois. Looks like a severe thunderstorm watch is up for parts of North Carolina and Virginia. Overall, there's the severe weather risks for the rest of today and tonight. 3 slight risks, not close to us. Tomorrow, parts of Minnesota with a risk of severe weather. And on day 3, which is Saturday, severe weather possibilities for parts of South Dakota and Nebraska. Rain for the next 5 days. This is through Tuesday morning of next week, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. And, of course, that's an average number. You might pick that much up in 30 minutes with a summer downpour if one slow mover gets parked over you. Weather in the tropics, the circle guys have circled something. That's what they do. They've got a little disturbance east of Cape Canaveral in the Atlantic, but there's no hope that thing's going to form. Basically, the Atlantic basin very quiet. Tropical storm formation not expected anytime soon. Check the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. The upper high drifting southwest away from us. It should be centered near Natchez, Mississippi. And down below that, you know the deal, partly sunny and hot. A few spots will see a storm in the afternoon. Here's a look at the high-res NAM. Really not showing a lot. This is valid tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, but I wouldn't be shocked if we had a little bit more activity than that. For the weekend, classic summer mix. A mixture of clouds and sunshine. Saturday with chance of scattered showers and storms, mainly Saturday afternoon, the high around 90. And the same thing on Sunday, although the GFS wants to bring in some drier air over the northern half of the state with hardly any showers. If this is right, we're going to reject that theory at this point. We're in that season where you believe it when you see it. We'll just stay with a persistence forecast. This is Monday of next week. Again, the northern part of the state looks somewhat drier, but we're going to mention scattered showers and storms statewide. Tuesday, there could be an increase in the number of showers and storms with a surface boundary approaching from the north, and highs should drop back into the 80s with the clouds and showers, and pretty much the same thing on Wednesday. Occasionally cloudy with scattered to numerous showers and storms, highs upper 80s. And a week from today, the upper high is all the way back over northern Mexico, and there's a trough coming in from the west, and if that's right, that could be a fairly active convective day with a pretty good chance of showers and storms, maybe even during the nighttime or morning hours. So the weather next week, again, trending wetter, and heat levels should be coming down. Here's the end of the forecast, the 5th of July. Looks like a 591 ridge over much of the southern U.S. A little weakness in here, and again, that would suggest typical summer weather. Some sun with a chance of scattered showers and storms. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.